Hey guys, my name is Sarah. I'm the rehab specialist here at Health Source Chiropractic of St. Cloud, and I'm going to follow up with some exercises that you can utilize at home to improve or decrease your low back pain. So the first one that I'm going to show you is called a pelvic bridge. So you're going to start yourself on the floor, preferably a firm surface. So you're going to lay on the back, feet are going to be planted against the floor. So naturally we have this space between our low back and the floor. First thing that we want to do is a pelvic tilt, so that is bringing the hips back so that you flatten your low back against the surface that you're laying on. Essentially it's like you're pulling the belly button into the spine. So you're going to hold that position, you should feel the abdominals engage. From there you're going to pick up the hips, trying to make yourself as straight a line as possible from shoulders to knees. Hold that position for about 3 seconds and make sure that you're not spraying the knees out wide. Make sure that you're keeping them consistent. If anything, kind of drawing them together. Holding that for a 3 count, lower down, relax your tilt. Go ahead and do about 3 sets of 10 reps of those. The next one is called a dead bug. We're going to start in the same position. Again, we're going to pelvic tilt, bringing the spine to, or the belly button to the spine. You're going to hold that position, bring our arms out in front of you, keeping that pelvic tilt. As I draw my right arm back, my left knee is coming with. We're going to maintain that. 1, 2, 3, bring it back, keeping that tilt, and go on to the other side. 1, 2, 3, bring it back, and then finally releasing that pelvic tilt. Again, about 3 sets of 10 of those. The next exercise is a plank. So there's a lot of different styles of planking that you can do. For this purpose, I'm just going to show you a regular kind of traditional plank. So a big thing with this one, we want to have the arms directly beneath the shoulders. You're going to kick out those feet. Now I'm going to show you a couple things that we don't want to do when we plank. We don't want the back sagging down, and we don't want to be tenting up. So both of those ways, the first way puts a lot of strain in the back. This way you're just really not doing much. So you want to be a nice straight line. Kind of tuck the hips, firm up the core, and then you can start off holds, just short bursts if you're a beginner, so 5 to 10 seconds. If you've done this before, go ahead and hold it as long until you fatigue. So those are 3 exercises that you can utilize to assist in improving low back pain. Another little device that you can utilize as well is a balance disc, or something that we call a sit disc. We have a lot of people who take this into their workplace, place it onto their chair, and then you simply just sit on it. So it's an inflatable device, and essentially what it does, it's unstable. So it's causing my core muscles, my low back muscles, to fire without me really having to exert much energy at all. So these are just some awesome techniques that you can utilize to improve your condition. If you have any further questions, give us a call or stop in 320-230-8920.